Hello children, welcome back to your English class. How are you all children? I hope you are all keeping fit and fine, keeping yourself safe at home. Children, I hope you are reading books too. Yes, reading books helps you improve your English, improve your vocabulary and your spoken English as well. Today I am going to talk about how we have to do an unseen passage. Like you are reading books, anything which is unseen, which you have not read earlier, is regarded as an unseen passage. In your English language exam, you always get one question which is the unseen passage. A passage is given to you and you have to answer the questions after reading the passage. So now in the following video, we will be seeing how you have to do an unseen passage. Here are some rules which we need to follow. Children, सबसे पहले you have to keep into mind the first important thing that read the passage carefully. That means हमें passage को बहुत ही ध्यान से पढ़ना है. Second, read the questions which are asked. जो questions पूछे गए हैं उसे भी हमें ध्यान से पढ़ना है और समझना है कि क्या पूछा जा रहा है. Third, reread the passage and underline the answers as you find them. Now this is a very important step. आप questions पढ़ चुके हो, एक बार paragraph भी पढ़ चुके हो. Now again you have to reread. Reread मतलब दोबारा पढ़ना. You have to reread the passage and this time since आपने questions पहले से पढ़ लिए हैं, you have to now start underlining the answers. जैसे जैसे आपको questions के answer मिल रहे हैं, as you will read, you will find your answers, so you underline them. And last, write your answers by making complete sentences. Now children, here I am taking this unseen passage. Okay, this passage is about birds, as you can see. And now we will try and solve this unseen passage. First we will read and then the questions which are there we will answer those. So let's start. Birds. Birds are some of the most amazing animals on the earth. Birds live in nests. They have fangs, feathers, beaks and claws. Birds eat fruits, grains, worms, insects, etc. The smallest bird is hummingbird and the biggest bird is the ostrich. The birds live in flocks and they are social too. Birds, like peacocks, have beautiful and colorful feathers. The crow and cuckoo are black in color, while the swans and doves are white in color. The duck, the stork and the swan are water birds. The cuckoo and the nightingale are singing birds. Some birds are reared by man for entertainment like parrot, dove, etc. So children, we have read the the unseen passage, and here are some of the questions which are based on the passage. The question first is, what do birds eat? Second question is, which are the water birds? Third, why do people rear birds? Fourth is a fill in the blanks. You have to choose a suitable word from the passage. The biggest bird is and the smallest bird is. So we have to now do these questions. So as I said, we have read the read the passage properly, and we have now read the questions also. Now we are going to read the passage again, and this time we are going to underline the answers also. So see, here we have underlined. The question was, what do birds eat? And here I have underlined, birds eat fruits, grains, worms, insects, etc. Then they had asked about name some the water birds. Then the answer over here we have got the duck, the stork and the swan are water birds. Then they asked the reason why man rears the birds. So the answer to this is some birds are reared because they are used for the sake of entertainment. So the birds are reared by man for entertainment like parrot, and dove. Now the fill in the blanks are also there, the smallest bird and the biggest bird. So you can see here clearly the smallest bird is hummingbird and the biggest bird is the ostrich. So now let's see how we write the answers. What do birds eat? First question. The answer you will write, birds eat fruits, grains, worms, etc., insects, etc. Second question is, which are the water birds? Your answer will be the duck, the stork and the swan are water birds. Then third one, why do people rear birds? Answer it is, some birds are reared by man for entertainment like parrot and dove. So we have got all our answers. Here are the fill in the blanks. So the biggest bird is which bird? Ostrich. And the smallest bird is hummingbird. So very easily children we have got all the answers. So children, this way we should do an unseen passage. Okay, now I am going to give you one assignment. So you will do it accordingly.